Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to be doing a first time Friday. I actually haven't done one of these in quite some time. I have been trying out a lot of new products, but I haven't featured anything in a first time Friday. So today we're going to be talking about the new Bread Gel. So this is their curl capturing gloss hair gel. And as soon as I saw this on Sephora, I went ahead and ordered it. So it's been sitting in my new curly hair product stash for a while, but I'm excited to finally be giving it a try. So Bread is a really good brand that I have tried in the past. I love their shampoo and their conditioner. I have not tried their hair mask yet. I don't think I've tried their hair mask. And I'm also obsessed with their hair oil. Their hair oil smells like pineapples or something. It smells amazing. But I'm out of their hair oil. I used that up like last year, so it's completely gone. So I'm not the biggest gel girl. My styler of choice is typically a pudding. I like a really good leave-in conditioner as a styler, or I like a lotion, or I like a defining cream. But for some of my wash and goes, I do like to incorporate a really good gel. Okay, so I'm just gonna read you guys some of the claims that this product has on Sephora. So it just says it's a water-based moisture locking protective hair gel gloss for wet set curls. So I'm sure it's gonna give my hair some shine because it's claiming to be a gel gloss. I've never heard of a gel gloss, but I do like that the first ingredient is water. It does have glycerin in it, so be mindful of that if you don't like using glycerin based products in your hair. I don't mind because glycerin gives the hair a nice shine and it hasn't done anything bad to my hair in the past. So this just says it's for wavy, curly, and coily hair. It's for curl enhancing, hold, and shine. So it just says gives definition, glassy shine, and it's a medium to strong hold gel. I'm going to split my hair down the middle, and for one side I'm going to be using this Camille Rose Honeydew Liquid Moisture Refresher in my hair first. And then the other side, I'm not gonna put anything in it. Just because I wanna see how this gel works with the spray leave-in, and I wanna see how it works without a spray leave-in. Because I wanna see which one I prefer, because typically I'm not the type of girl to use a gel with nothing under my hair. I like a leave-in conditioner first, and then I like to go in with the gel. So that's just why I'm choosing to do it like that. So I wanna see how it works on its own as well as with the leave-in. Because my hair is freshly washed, conditioned, and deep conditioned. This is not gonna hold the whole side of my hair. So yeah, I did let my hair mask sit overnight. So my hair is very soft and very clean. So this is the side where I'm just gonna use the gel by itself first, and then the right side I'm gonna use the leave-in. This is a really nice bottle. It's in a nice pump. I love a good pump for a gel. I actually prefer a pump for a gel over like a jar product. Ooh, okay. So it does say rake through clean wet hair in small sections. So I will make sure my hair is not damp, but make sure it's wet. I mean, that's my styling choice of preference anyway. I like to use my products on wet or damp hair, because some products I do like using them on damp hair because some stylers do work better on damp hair. But if it says wet hair, just go ahead and follow the directions, girl, because I'm not gonna lie, sometimes I'm gonna be following directions. Okay, so I'm gonna do pretty small subsections just because this is the only styler I'm using. I'm not using anything else. Ooh, the gel is almost the same color as the packaging. Y'all ain't gonna be able to tell for real on camera, but it has a nice watery consistency. The smell is very citrusy, very fresh smelling, very fresh, nice summery, clean, citrusy scent. Ooh, very interesting application. It sounds like I have shampoo in my hair. Y'all can y'all hear that? It sounds like I have shampoo in my hair. Shampoo removes, because it sounds very like sudsy. Interesting. Okay. Really good slip, very nice slip. Trying to see how my hair is clumping. Okay, the curls are clumping, which is good for definition. Because usually with like watery gels, my hair doesn't really clump that well, but it's already clumping pretty nicely. If you guys watched my finger coiling short, then you know I've been obsessed with this styling choice. This is like my new styling preference, my styling method. So far so good. I'm having a lot of faith in this gel because I never like using gels on my hair with nothing underneath first. I just prefer to use some kind of like spray leave-in at least, or just like a lotion, or just a like standard creamy leave-in. But the consistency of this gel is really, really nice. It's like a really nice thick gel, but it's also watery at the same time. Kind of hard to explain. See how it does when I use my Felicia Leatherwood brush, because the first section of my hair wasn't that tangled, so, but I just want to see how, okay, glides through really nicely. Nice, okay. That's pretty good for not having any leave-in conditioner in my hair. Okay guys, so I'm done applying just the gel on the left side. Now I'm going to move on to the right side, and I'm going to, like I said earlier, spray the Camille Rose Honeydew in first, just because I want to see how this works with the leave-in and on its own, because typically I would not use a gel by itself. It's just not my personal preference, but it might surprise me. So that's why we're doing this little test. I'm just going to spray this all over first. It honestly feels pretty similar as far as application with a spray leave-in. I'm only going to be able to tell, like, well, maybe be able to tell the difference once my hair dries. Each side, I'm going to be able to tell a difference, hopefully. If I don't see a difference on each side when my hair dries as well, then this gel will actually live up to its claims of being a all-in-one type of product and not really needing anything else with it. But the application feels almost the same with a spray leave-in, because I'm all here for a one product wash and go. Okay guys, so the product is applied to both sides of my head. I'm not gonna keep this middle part, I'm gonna toss it to the side. But so far so good. I like how my hair is drying. It does say that the product has more definition when it's applied by itself, so I'm gonna see if the left side has more definition when my hair is dried, because like y'all saw, I did use a leave-in on the right side. So I'm expecting the right side to dry softer than the left side, and then the left side to have a little bit more definition. But we're gonna see. I'm gonna go air dry my hair. It's probably gonna take the rest of the day. So I'm gonna come back to you guys on tomorrow with the final results and my final thoughts. Okay guys, so I'm back. It's the next day and I am shook. Y'all, look at my hair. I did scrunch out a little bit of crunch with an OG favorite serum of mine. This is the John Frieda Frizzies. Yeah, the John Frieda Frizzy serum. I used that to scrunch out a little bit of the crunch. And I honestly can't really tell a huge difference between the side that I used the leave-in conditioner and the side that I used the gel by itself. But honestly, this product is moisturizing enough to stand on its own, and there's very few gels that I've used that can do that for me because I always have to use a leave-in underneath. But this bread gel honestly is a one product wash and go. Highly recommended. I'm obsessed with my hair. My hair is actually softer on the side without leave-in conditioner. And I noticed that my hair is elongated as well. So this is also really good if you have a lot of shrinkage. One thing I did notice as my hair was drying too, and I didn't even think of it when I was using the gel, and I don't know why, but the texture of this gel reminds me of one of my favorite gels. It's the Jessie Curls Spiralicious gel. I love that gel. This honestly reminds me of that. This is amazing. I'm obsessed. I'm gonna have to stock up on this gel. I love it. Bread, if you're watching this, y'all did y'all thing with this gel. So I would definitely give this gel a 9 out of 10, and the only reason I give it a 9 out of 10 is because of the packaging. I prefer a packaging that I can see through so I can see how much product I have left. So that's the only reason I would give this a 9 out of 10, but other than that, I'm obsessed. That's it for today's First Time Friday. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will leave a link to this gel in the description box if you guys are interested in trying it out. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see y'all next time. Hi guys, so 3-day update. So I thought that was gonna be the end of this First Time Friday. However, it's 3 days later and my hair still looks pretty good. It looks pretty good, but it feels so dry. So my hair feels pretty dry, but it's still stretched out. It's still defined. I just have an issue with the dryness of my hair. So I still do like this gel, but I do recommend using like your favorite leave-in underneath, like a creamy leave-in, like a leave-in cream or a leave-in lotion or whatever you like to use. Whatever you like to use before you use a gel, use it with this gel. Well, first make sure it's compatible, of course, on the back of your hand. I'm just going to stick with using a leave-in underneath it, but I still do like the gel, but I don't think it's a one product wash and go. So glad that I waited till 3 days. Like I had 3 days in between before I had to put this video up, because I can tell you guys that my hair is actually pretty dry, that this product is not, unfortunately, it's not a one product wash and go. But I still do like this gel. It's still a really good gel. Just pair it with a really good leave-in. So.